The Dash Mini Maker for individual waffles is a compact and convenient kitchen appliance that offers a delightful way to prepare delicious waffles. With its sleek aqua color and sturdy metal construction, it not only adds a stylish touch to your countertop but also ensures durability for long-term use. One of the standout features of this waffle maker is its manual operation, which allows you to have full control over the cooking process. By simply pouring the batter onto the non-stick cooking surface and using the included manual to guide you through the process, you can easily create perfectly crisp waffles that are customized to your liking. The Dash Mini Maker's compact size, measuring just 5 inches in diameter and 6.4 inches in width, makes it ideal for individuals or small households. It doesn't take up much space in your kitchen and can be conveniently stored when not in use. Despite its small size, it doesn't compromise on performance.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.